Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing your privacy settings on PlayStation 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Privacy. If this is the first time you are editing your privacy settings, click Adjust Privacy Settings by choosing a profile. Select the type of profile that best describes your desired experience on PlayStation. Click Review and Customize, and you can see the default privacy settings that were set for you based on the profile you just selected. You can now fine-tune these settings to your liking, and then click Apply to save it. Once you have done that, you can still fine-tune your privacy settings by opening View and Customize your privacy settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.